Hello everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to build a simple solar panel system in just a day. This DIY project is perfect for those who want to generate their own clean, renewable energy and save money on their electric bill. Here's what you'll need. 1. Solar panel. Choose a suitable solar panel system for your needs and ensure it has at least 10 of power. A 12 volts 20 solar panel would be ideal for a small home or off-grid system. 2. Battery. Deep cycle battery is necessary to store the energy generated by the solar panels. A 12 volts 20 A battery is recommended. 3. Voltage regulator amp. This device helps to maximize the efficiency of your solar panel system by adjusting the voltage output of the panels. 4. Power charge controller PCC. This is important for safely connecting your solar panels to your home's electrical system. It ensures that the battery doesn't overcharge. 5. Wires and connectors. Screw together the solar panel, battery, and voltage regulator together using the appropriate connectors. Then, connect your solar panels to the voltage regulator using the mic for connectors. 6. House electrical connection. Make sure your home's electrical system is able to handle the extra current generated by your solar panels. You may need to add a circuit breaker or upgrade your electrical box. 7. Installation. Follow the instructions provided with your solar panel system and battery. Place your system in an area with ample sunlight and make sure it's secure. And that's it. In just a day, you can build and install a simple solar panel system that will help you generate your own clean, renewable energy and save money on your electric bill. Happy building!